What's up, guys? Welcome to the Morimoto lighting first vlog ever. We're gonna be having an awesome sauce adventure. We have really awesome overlander people coming out here today. We got a couple Jeeps, Toyotas, Ford Raptor. All of them are rocking the awesome sauce newest product, the 4 bangers. But before we get going, you know we gotta gas up these bad boys. What's up, Sean? Who are you?
Sean, photographer for Morimoto.
Bang!
Get it rocking.
So Sean will be taking all of the awesome sauce content that you'll be seeing on the websites, on social media and everything. He is the man when it comes to editing and photography. So stay tuned for some awesome product that we'll have shortly out for you guys. Well, you're probably wondering why we're on the side of the road when we're supposed to be meeting up with other guys. If you know anything about off-roading or anything about aftermarket stuff, shit happens. Well, at least you're okay.
Yeah, at least we're going really fast. Thank you guys for stopping.
Dang. She's spotted. Shoot, you're part of the car club now. His hazard sign.
You have to be creative so far.
Exactly. Hazard ahead. So we believe that the metal eventually fatigued on the right side, so when he slammed on brakes and hit that massive pothole, his ball bearing or his wheel bearing went out, which caused his lower control arm to break, which then caused his CV axle to break as well, causing the whole front wheel and tire to pull back into his fender well. So it's very unfortunate, but everyone is okay. One of our buddies stayed behind with him to get some parts. I'm not sure if he's gonna make it this weekend, but as long as he's okay and everybody is safe and sound, that's #1 priority. Alrighty, we just made it out to Cabela's. Everyone -1 made it here safe and sound. We have a couple other crews that just showed up. We even got some female overlanders here today. We're super stoked. This is Sean's girlfriend's 4Runner. And then we have Miss Stephanie out here with her husband. Yes. So it's gonna be a fun little adventure today. I'm super stoked. We're packed. They're ready to go, son. All right, got a couple extra supplies, picked up a couple other crew members at Cabela's, and we are on our way to Motherlicken, Tennessee. 3 hours, here we go. Hopefully no more issues. Alrighty, we made it out to Windrock, guys. We had no issues after leaving Georgia. All the vehicles made it safe and sound. Right now we're just gonna get camp all set up. And once we're all glamped up, just joking, we're far from glamping this weekend, but that's okay. Sometimes it's nice to live, you know, a little bit on the rugged side. So let's go ahead and get camp set up and we'll see you in our camping vibe. This is one way to start the trip, right?
Oh yeah. To adventure.
To adventure.
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh yeah, I don't think we ever introduced John to the vlog. Guys, this is John.
Yeah.
Already waivers are signed and it's time for the driver's
Real
meeting.
quick before we get started, all my captains need to be on that captain channel 17.33. We need to put that security code in. If you're not on that code, I don't have comms on you.
Alrighty, I think we got our crew almost ready to go. We are going to go out for our very first time here at Windrock.
Four banging now. We 4 banging.
Sheesh.
Nobody has any alcohol in their vehicles, correct?
Watch out, there's a bear in the woods. I'm just galloping down. Y'all are good. Y'all are good. We got Inco 4x4 off-road Uber.
Sean, I'm your off-road Uber.
So guys, if you didn't know, he actually has an adventure.
On Airbnb.
Yeah, an Airbnb adventure experience. So if you want to figure that out, say if you don't have your own rig or if you don't know the area or anything, he has the full like camping experience.
You just bring hiking shoes and I take care of everything else.
Boom, easy as that. So if you want to experience the great outdoors, but you just don't know where to go, Luis is where you go. Just go to his Instagram, and then he's such a nice guy too as well. And of course, he's part of the Morimoto crew, so gotta represent.
She's gonna go around and we'll just go back right around her.
Okay, wait for me! Oh no!
Car, someone that's just
Freaking, that's a bike trail. What? So we're super excited to be visiting Windrock Park's facility. They literally have some of the best off-road trails in the South, with 73,000 acres in Oliver Springs, Tennessee, and over 300 miles of trails. It's gonna be a wild ride for sure. Trail number 26. So we're just taking a quick break with everyone, letting the vehicles, you know, kind of chill out for a little bit, because that was a wild little ride there. But everyone was Gucci, no one broke anything, so we're just gonna continue on from here. Alrighty, this time the trail's closed, so we're just gonna take the water trail.
And like, once you get out there in the middle, just head towards the end.
Good job, Jonesy!
My first rodeo.
Alrighty guys, we just made it back to camp, and just in the nick of time, they are having a chili cook-off. So we're gonna be judging multiple different cook-off areas and testing it out. And we're gonna be out on the track tomorrow with a good old chili and bean belly. So let's see which one is our favorite out of, I think it's like 8 or 10 people, so let's see. How was that birthday cake?
Man, it was the chef's kiss. It was like just amazing.
Are you saving some for later? Alrighty, we are about to do some night runs. We are going to go, so the vehicle and rig that we're going to be in is going to be the Toyota Tacoma. So let's see how well this goes. So obviously we are Morimoto lighting, and we really wanted to put our 4-bangers to the test. And as you can see, they light up the night like no other. And everyone that were running them are absolutely loving them. We was hoping for a Sunday winter wonderland, and we got a nice wet Sunday.
If I say 9, it does mean 10.
That's right.
That means don't wake me up. How about some headlights from Morimoto?
Headlights from Morimoto, that's good stuff. 262.
So we're super excited for sponsoring our very first overlanding event with Venture Unknown. We gave away a set of new 4-bangers and loads of other items. We can't wait to see what they look like on some of their vehicles.
Any of you guys that are not riding and going home, please be safe. We love y'all. Thank y'all for coming. We'll see y'all next time.
Okay guys, well that is a wrap for our very first Morimoto vlog. We're super excited to have been out there with the Venture Unknown crew at Windrock Park. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and stay tuned for more Morimoto vlog content.